Have you ever wondered why almost all planets in our solar system orbit the Sun in the same direction? The answer lies in a fundamental law of physics and the intriguing process of planetary formation. In the beginning, our solar system was nothing more than a vast cloud of gas and dust known as the solar nebula. Under the relentless pull of gravity, this nebula started to collapse and rotate. This rotation, a manifestation of a quantity known as angular momentum, sped up as the nebula shrunk. According to the law of angular momentum conservation, the total amount of angular momentum must remain constant. So, as the nebula got smaller, it spun faster. This spinning nebula then flattened into a thin, rotating disk due to the combined effects of its own gravity and increasing rotation speed. It was within this flattened, spinning disk that the seeds of planets were sown. Planets formed through a process called accretion, where dust and gas particles within the disk stuck together, growing larger and larger over time. As these protoplanets took shape, they naturally followed the rotational direction of the surrounding gas and dust, resulting in a uniform direction of orbit. However, there are exceptions. Venus and Uranus have retrograde orbits, meaning they spin in the opposite direction. This is likely due to catastrophic events early in their history, such as collisions with other massive objects. Planetary formation is not a one-size-fits-all process. In other solar systems, planets with retrograde orbits suggest that the initial rotation of the dust cloud does not always determine the final orbital directions of the planets. External influences can significantly alter these paths. So, the uniform direction of planetary orbits in our solar system is a testament to both the law of angular momentum conservation and the relative tranquility that prevailed during its formation. It's an elegant demonstration of how fundamental physics and cosmic conditions come together to create the celestial dance we observe today. In summary, the uniform direction of planetary orbits is a result of the angular momentum conservation law and the process of planetary formation from a spinning, flattened nebula. Exceptions like Venus and Uranus remind us of the dynamic and sometimes chaotic nature of these processes. The formation of our solar system, and indeed any planetary system, is a complex interplay of physics and cosmic circumstances.